Hi guys, today I will explain you how I did this animation. A lot of people on TikTok ask me how I'm doing my animations, and it's really easy. So basically all your animations will be from frames. From my side, it's always 3-1. I work on simple animations. So it means we need to draw 3 simple illustrations for that and understand what will be your main idea, fabula, I would say, yeah, and your main focal point. So in the first frame, for me, it's cups, red cups. I choose these colors because I want my viewers first be focused on cups, and it's very simple illustration. I used pencil 6B, use a couple of colors. So first is dark red, and on second layer it's bright red. You can see I just add this texture on top and the white color. So for the rest, I use just white outline on separate layer, and in the background is just one brush which simulate this dreamy background and girl on separate layers. I have vignette color burn style. You can see on the layer it has color burn style, and now if you check cups on separate layer, because I can move between my layers and frames and change position of the cups, it will be easier to do it on the multiple layers, on multiple frames for the animation. And on the last frame I have girl, and the girl appears at the end of my animation, but I drew her on my first frame because she's sitting at the table. So she has the body color, after that she has shadow layer, and after that she has highlight layer and outline with the whole details, and the last one is dark details outline like face, lips, a little bit of hair there. Basically, my first idea was to have these eyes opens on the plate and the cups, but at the end I decided just to keep it on the cups. So it's separate layer, and I added for animation, and in the middle I have second frame. It's doors which is opens and fly away, and the last one is this frame with the girl where she will sit at the table. And by the way, I need to fill up this part of animation because it's important for first frame. I need to have full window. That's why we need to quickly fill up this element of the illustration. It's a really simple one. I used pencil 6, my brush 6B, pencil 6B. Yeah, so we just fill up very quickly as a sketch this window and the background for the first frame. Now you can see we have cups, we have table, we have light, we have window at the back, we have plate and the cutlery, and eyes on the plate which will opens up, or on the cup. We will see which frame I'll use. In the middle we have second frame when I decided to draw more doors, and I will animate it with the AI tool. So to make it more prominent, I make it with a really dark highlighted outline. Yeah, for the character I used the same brush. It was 6B. I drew details on top of it with a dark outline to just highlight parts which will be moving, its face, hair, and the hand. But generally, when I'm animating something, I'm already thinking of the final frames and what will be moving, what type of details will be moving. It's important, a lot of these small things. A lot of my illustrations and animation becoming from my dreams, so it's less logic, but that's the vibe I just want to share. And this tool I use, it's Opeart.ai, its website. You can register, upload your frames here from your gallery, step by step. Start from the first one. So you upload it. You need to prepare prompt and length of the video, 5 or 10 seconds. So here you have this field. You can fill up there your text. You should be very precise with what you're asking for, because AI, it's not perfect tool for animation. It will never replace animators. Here you can have different variations of your animations. And don't forget to choose type of AI. So I use Killing 2.5. It works well for me. And it's pretty easy. So just be creative and try new things. Let me know in comments what do you think about it, or what's your impressions. And don't forget to subscribe.